Hello, I'm Haris. Welcome to my showreel. For my first project back when I was taking diploma in games art, I was given a task to create a 2D game using a game engine called Unity. I've decided to create a side-scroller game called Undead City. In this game, players have to fight multiple zombies in order to save a girl that is trapped in a secret lab. This is where I spent a lot of time creating the character and the level design for the game using Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator. Then I moved to the next phase, which is programming. I began coding in C# script. It's kinda hard for me because I never have any experience in programming, but with the help of YouTube tutorials, I managed to get the system done, such as the movement, shooting, level switching, and also the UI design. I pursued a Bachelor of Arts in Games Design after I'm done with my diploma. And for semester 4, I decided to do a remake for my Undead City game. But this time, it's going to be a 2.5D format using a game engine called Unreal Engine. Facing time constraint, I accessed free assets from Unreal Engine Marketplace and I did the map to align it with my gameplay style. For the programming part, I used Blueprint. It's one of the features that Unreal Engine have. This is how the blueprint looks like. You have the movement system, the shooting system, pause, and also enemy patrolling from cone A to cone B. In my last semester, instead of the usual side-scroller and single-player games that I've made, I decided to take on a big challenge, which is creating my own FPS game with multiplayer features. This time I have two team members, which is Feng Shuo and Claire. Feng Shuo is in charge of the level design, while Claire is in charge of the sound production. And for me, I'm in charge of the game logic implementation. As you can see in the video, I encountered a lot of bugs while doing the blueprint. Example like floating pistol, players can see through walls, players can't respawn when jumping off the map, players can shoot when changing the gun, the muzzle flash is too big. You can also see that I also documented some notes on the Excel sheet to keep track of these bugs. I spent tons of time trying to fix the bug while Feng Shuo and Claire were trying to make the game look better for you guys. And guess what? I think we did it! That's all from me. Thanks for watching.